You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -64/3 smaller than -211/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -64/3 smaller than -211/3.